So now you want to place your bobbin. So how do you make sure you are putting the bobbin in correctly? Okay, so right here it shows you how to put the bobbin in. I'm going to show you. You want your bobbin to go counterclockwise. Okay, if you put it in going clockwise like this, it's not gonna embroider right. So it's important that your bobbin is counterclockwise like this. Okay, so this is how I check. And then I'm gonna place it inside like this, and then I'm gonna go like this, follow the groove, and like this. And before I cut it, I'm gonna make sure there's pressure, because if there's no pressure when I'm pulling it, that means it's not gonna embroider right. That means something is wrong. Okay, and then there's a knife right here where you could cut it, and I'm gonna pull it and it's gonna cut it. And now my bobbin is in the machine correctly. Okay, click on this, and maybe let me see if I can shrink the size of the butterfly. See if that works. Okay, I press it. This is the smallest it will do. It's not gonna go smaller than that. Okay, so I'm gonna move it up because I want it for it to work in a smaller hoop. Right here it's going to show you if it could work in a large hoop or a small hoop. So I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to say end edit. And I want to say embroidery. And now it's ready to embroider. Okay.